As someone who's traveled quite a bit over the last several years to London, to Paris, to Rome, to Iceland, Malta, Ibiza, Taiwan, the Philippines, Vancouver, Toronto, as well as all over the States, I've learned quite a bit about what to pack, how to stay organized, all the way down to what kind of purse to bring to avoid getting pickpocketed. And today, I'm sharing all of that. Hey guys, it's Jess. What's up? Welcome back. I hope you're all having a beautiful day so far. In today's video, we're doing another travel tips kind of video. It's been a while. I'm going to take you guys along as I pack for an imaginary trip. I'm just going to show you guys my process from start to finish. So our imaginary trip for today is 12 days in Italy. So that way you guys can get a good sense of how to pack for 1 to 2 weeks, and you can adjust it for less time, more time. And also, I kind of just feel like Italy is apparently the hot spot of where everybody is going this summer. Everybody and their mother has gone to Italy. If you know what I'm talking about, or if you're one of those people, let me know below. Everything I share, I will have linked down below. And if you guys are going to London, Paris, or Rome anytime in the near future, you guys should check out my Europe vlog where I went to those 3 places earlier this year. And throughout it is a travel guide of places to go, things to try, and also a ton of travel tips that are applicable for not only those locations, but all over Europe and just traveling in general. So definitely check that out. If you're not already subscribed, join the family. We do fashion, travel, lifestyle, lots of things over here. And now let's hop on in. Let's talk pre-planning. What I do before I even take out a suitcase about a week or 2 out from when I leave for the trip. First things first, I always check the weather for where I'm traveling to. I always make sure that what I'm packing is actually wearable and comfy for the weather and location of where I'm going to. Once I know that, then I start planning my looks per day. I start off with my clothing essentials, the pieces that always come when I travel. After that, I brainstorm up whatever other pieces I might like to bring along and the vibe I'm going for the trip. Colors, vibes, aesthetics, feelings, prints, patterns, just whatever springs to my mind. And if I get stuck during my outfit brainstorm, I'll just head over to Pinterest and create a Pinterest board to get some additional inspo and really curate that vibe. Once I have my outfit ideas list, I start doing any laundry I need to get done, and then I head to my closet and start pulling the pieces. Once I've gotten all my clothes picked out and things are washed and ready to go, I'll start sorting things into piles. There's a tops pile, a bottoms pile, a dresses pile, etc. and so forth. Now, the number one key to staying organized and easily finding things when traveling are travel cubes. You guys, these changed the game for me when I started traveling, and honestly, I cannot imagine traveling and going on a trip now without them. My personal favorite ones are from Base. I love that you can roll them up, you can fold them for easy storage, you can easily wipe them down if you get something on them if they get dirty, and then they also have these little interchangeable name tags so you can swap the cube sizing around, so it's super customizable, and I love these. I also have these ones from Amazon. These were the first travel cubes I got maybe like 5 or 6 years ago, and they've held up great. You can also find good ones sometimes at places like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. About 4 to 7 days before my trip is when I begin packing. Now basically the way I pack is tops go in one travel cube, bottoms go in another, undies in another, and so on. The way I fold my clothes is I roll them to pack up things compactly, and I just find that it helps my clothes wrinkle and hard crease less. Next, I pack my accessories, things like scarves, sunglasses, bandanas, and hats. I keep in mind the mix and matchability of these pieces with the clothes that I've picked out because I don't want to overpack, but as a fashion girly, as a gal who likes options and versatility, I want to make sure that I've got those options and versatility.
Trying to cater to all the needs. so you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it.
Now let's talk about what purse to bring when you're traveling, especially in major tourist spots like Paris or Rome, Times Square, places like that. I cannot stress this enough. Your purse needs to have a zipper, a firmly closing flap, something that makes your purse not just open to the wild and easy to access, because you will get pickpocketed. I have seen it time and time again. It has never happened to me because I am adamant on this point, but I have seen it happen. It's very sad. It's very stressful. Get a purse that has a closure. It will decrease your chances so much. And here is an example of a very cute but horrible for traveling type of bag.
You lose! Good day, sir!
These suitcases are also from Base. I love them. I've had them for about 3 years, and besides being marked up from coming along on several trips, they're still in perfect condition and I still love them so much. Highly recommend. Quick overview of what goes in my carry-on. 2 pairs of extra underwear. If something happens to your check bag, spare underwear is truly a godsend. A spare outfit for the same reason. My makeup. Again, if my luggage got lost or something broke, makeup is expensive to replace. I don't want to do that. My skincare for the same exact reason. My jewelry for also basically the same reason. An extra book or two, a sweater or hoodie, and anything else that I'd want with me or would be too expensive to replace if something happened to my checked luggage. Also, if you guys want to see a video of what goes in my personal or under the seat item, like what I like to have with me throughout a flight, just let me know in the comment section. And the last thing, I throw all of my travel cubes into my bag. My bulkier items like jeans or outerwear, I usually just keep those loose because there's usually only like 1 or 2 of those pieces and they don't need to be in a cube. PSA, for all of you out there who have a Dyson Airwrap, it does not work in Europe because the voltages are weird and different, even with a travel converter. So don't bring your Dyson, bring like a normal standard hot tool. Okay, cool. That's how I pack. That is my packing routine. Those are all the things that I've learned over the last several years of traveling. And I really hope that if you guys have a trip coming up, or if you're even just dreaming about a trip and you're just thinking about all the things, I hope that this video helped you out on packing. And if you guys have any other questions, make sure to leave those for me in the comment section below. If you guys need any outfit inspo, you guys can check out my outfit formulas video that I'll link down below, as well as what I'm wearing this summer for further inspiration. And if you guys want to see more of my day-to-day fashion, what am I wearing, what am I up to, you guys can find me on both TikTok and on Instagram at Neistadt. We're always doing fun things over there. Lots of inspo. You guys can see where I'm traveling, what I'm wearing, what I'm doing, and all the in-betweens. If you want to see more videos like this, you guys can subscribe down below. I do fashion, lifestyle, travel, and a sprinkle of other things. I'm about to relaunch my vlog channel, which I'm so excited for you guys to just hang out with me on the day-to-day for like super chill stuff. Thank you guys again. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.